Hello, everyone that's out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you this Monday morning to give you information about a done-for-you funnel that I've been using. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two, and I've been working from home, working online since 2015. And after failing numerous times in getting involved with scams and programs that didn't work, I decided to start to just uh, make videos to show people my progress utilizing a done-for-you funnel, earning consistently online, how easy it is to do so. And I'm starting out today to just take you on my journey with this program that I've been with since September. Taking it very serious starting October of 2017, which is just the end of last year. And what I'm going to do is show you my results month after month using this done-for-you funnel that I was able to get from a teammate of mine, and I've been running traffic to it consistently since the end of September of 2017. If you're looking to generate an online income, a full-time income working from home, just using a couple of hours a day or every other day, this is the system that you want to take a look at because it is converting pretty well. And since I've been using it, I've been able to generate consistent signups and commissions. So what I'm going to do is just show you my progress and where I'm at now. Well, where I was at when I first started, and then how it actually progressed over the last few months or so. So this is one of the capture pages that I'm using. When you get involved with this opportunity, you will be using a capture page very similar to this. And we also have another capture page that we use that's connected to a sales page, and it's also connected to an autoresponder. All of this stuff is put together. Everything is in one place. It's easy to set up. Takes about 30 to 40 minutes to do. And then what I did is I just used this system as if I was a newbie coming into this program and didn't have any knowledge or experience at all. Okay, I didn't use no list. I didn't run this information to a list. I just use cold traffic, which means send this to people that don't know anything about me and see how it converts. So here, if you go into my Gmail account, this is my Gmail. Here's my picture. Okay, here's me here again. What I did is I started in September running free traffic utilizing the training that's provided when you come in as a member to this system. For those that don't know, it's called the Power Lead system. You may have heard it before. You may have been in it before. It may have not worked out well for you, but I'm telling you this time around, if you come into my team, you get hands-on of exactly what to do, setting up the funnel within 30 to 40 minutes. If you don't want to do that, you can pay $50 one-time fee to have the funnel set up for you. So September, I started running traffic, free traffic, utilizing a simple strategy that I teach people how to use. And I started to get a little bit of commissions. I had a gold member come in, which is $20. I had a $6 lead lightning that came in, which is a one-time payment. I had a gold member here on the 19th. And as you can see, I didn't have that many opt-ins, 5 opt-ins here, 2 opt-ins here, not a whole lot of opt-ins, but I was able to bring in some commissions just off of the little bit of free traffic that I was running. Okay, I have a gold member here on September 22nd, gold, and then I had my first diamond member on September 23rd. For those that don't know, that's a one-time payment of $100. So you pay $147 one time, and then you get a $100 commission. So I was just in at the diamond level, and I was able to get my first diamond commission, which was $100. It was pretty exciting. I had a $6 lead lightning, 3 gold members here, and this was all in the month of September. So, this is a few commissions, not enough to actually, be life-changing to leave your job. But as you can see, just right from the beginning, it was consistent, not that many, but enough to see that the system works. And it was using this funnel, this capture page here, $500 daily tidal wave capture page that you're going to have access to. Okay. So I started running traffic September 28th. I had 100 clicks come in. I did this on a budget, spending no more than $100 to $150. I was able to get 300 clicks, and I had my first 100 clicks come in, and I was pretty excited to see what it was going to do. So um, just up to September 30th, I had 2 more gold members that came in on the 28th, 2 more gold members come in on the 30th, September 30th, another lead lightning $6 commission, and I had 89 opt-ins. So just for the month of September, I just want to show you guys my results month after month, and just show you exactly how it works. If you have no money, it's a slower process. If you're utilizing free traffic, it just comes in slower, but you can get a steady flow of commissions. As you can see, starting as far as back as the beginning of September, they were coming in. They just were not that fast, and you know, but I was able to generate some decent commissions. Okay. But then once I started running traffic, I'm going to show you guys in the next video what happened in the month of October. Okay. So here we have, you know, gold members that came in, 4 gold members. That's a total of $80 in commissions on between the 20th and the 30th, and the $6 commission on the 30th. Okay. So stay tuned, and then I'll bring to you tomorrow the next video. You can also click in the description below, and you'll see the video for the following month of how I did and what type of results I'm starting to accumulate over time utilizing the Power Lead system. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and then just click in the description box to get the next video.